Welcome back, guys. I am back with a new recipe which is my all-time favorite, and I thought of sharing it with you today. So today we'll be making shakshuka. This dish is originally from North Africa, and basically shakshuka means all mixed up. And traditionally shakshuka is made with onions and fresh tomato sauce with poached eggs on top and a mix of spices. But in this recipe, to start our day with a bright and flavorful cake, I have also added some bell peppers for some crunch and sweetness to balance the tartness of the tomatoes. So we'll start by finely chopping 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and dice one large onion. Thinly slice the mushrooms and jalapeno pepper. You can never go wrong with the veggies, and this dish is so satisfying and fulfilling that it is great for weight loss without feeling deprived. Now we'll dice some bell peppers. You can use any bell pepper, red, yellow or green, whatever is available in your kitchen. As this dish is made in tomato sauce, so we'll be using 1.5 to 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. To make this sauce more smooth and prevent those tiny chunks of tomato skin, you can also use peeled tomatoes. We'll also need some spring onions in the end to garnish. Now our chopping is all done. Let's start by heating some oil in a skillet. When the oil is hot enough, first add garlic and saute it until the raw smell goes off, and then we'll add onions and cook them until they are translucent. Add some salt to speed up the cooking. And then we'll add the mushrooms and jalapeno and cook them until they are soft. And good thing about this dish is it is one skillet dish and no fussy cleaning up after. When the mushrooms are soft, then we'll start adding our spices. 1 teaspoon roasted ground cumin, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon paprika. Give it a mix and then we'll add the bell peppers. This aroma of cumin, mushrooms with garlic and onion is so divine that I could not resist tasting it while cooking. Now in goes the colorful bell peppers. Now stir the veggies and cook them covered for 2 to 3 minutes. In the end, add the tomatoes and add some water to make the sauce. Now we'll cook the veggies covered on medium heat for 5 minutes. Then comes the last step. Make 4 wells in the skillet and very carefully crack the eggs into the wells without breaking the yolk. Then we'll season the eggs with some salt and black pepper. Cook the eggs covered until they are done and sauce has slightly reduced. If you like runny consistency of the yolk, then you can reduce the cooking time to half and check for jiggly yolks. If you don't like runny eggs, then you can cook the sauce for a few more minutes. Our shakshuka is ready. It already looks and smells amazing. So we'll turn off the heat and garnish with some cilantro and spring onions. Let it cool down a bit and top with crumbled goat cheese and serve as it is or with your favorite toasted bread. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section your experience. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and thanks for watching.